Hello everyone, this is Kevin with CS50 Project 3. As per the requirements, let's send an email. Second, subject to test on mail, and upon sending it, we are redirected to the sent emails with our email at the top. Going to our mailbox, we have the inbox, the sent mails, and the archived, with each mailbox having a list of mails for the various categories. As you can see, and on each list email, we have the sender, the subject, and the timestamp. And also, if an image is red, it is grayed out, and if it's not red, it is white. Clicking on an email, we have the subject, the sender, the recipient, the body, an option to archive it, reply it, and also the timestamp. We can archive the email. As you can see, it has been removed, and we have been redirected to the inbox. Go to the archives, we have the email over here, and let's unarchive it. As you can see, here it is. Okay, let's try replying to an email. Let's reply to first reply, and as you can see, the fields are pre-populated: the sender, the array, and this message on, and the email. Okay, this is good. Send, and you are back to our sent emails with the last email over here. Let's go to inbox and test this one. Reply, since it's a reply, but as you can see, as the subject, it's still reply. The array affixed to it. Thank you for listening.